So I was quite excited about it, and I was very keen to know about the source code and how we are doing the whole process and everything, and especially the graph compiler. So that was my impression at first.
When I first came in Ivy, I felt a very friendly environment. Everyone is cooperating with one another, and you can ask any question you want.
My first impressions were that it was kind of a tiny bit overwhelming, but there was no sense of like pressure on like starting off running, just a lot of like take your time, go through the docs, learn things. If you need to take some time, watching tutorials, that's completely fine. And Dan was just very chill about it. He's just the coolest.
I haven't gone to a few meetings. I learned relatively quickly that everybody's super helpful, super keen to answer any questions, and they're really happy just to help with like anything any problems you have in general.
I think the idea that they were pursuing seemed very interesting to me, and it seems like I had the same personal troubles with the frameworks that I was trying to solve. So I think that captured me first.
I really enjoyed the way I was introduced and briefed into Ivy. I think on my first day I attended an onboarding session, and I got to learn about everything and how I should be going on contributing and working at Ivy.
Yeah, so since Ivy is like Python and machine learning related, so definitely a place or role where I can learn anything related to the fields. So Ivy also aims to unify various machine learning frameworks. So it's definitely a good chance to get my hands on the related frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and so on.
Well, before starting my job at Ivy, I knew about Ivy because I had a couple of discussions with Daniel, and I was already familiar with it. So I knew the vision of Ivy, and I was quite excited to start working because I know that a lot of people will need Ivy even now or early in the future. So
my first impression was pretty good because Ivy was a very different experience for me, wherein I got to work with a lot of people spread worldwide, and people with a lot of different skills and working towards achieving a very exciting goal. So it was a pretty good impression.
Yeah, so knowing that it was an internship for related to machine learning, you can kind of expect that you will come here to work on different machine learning models and stuff like that. But from the application process and going through the docs and all of these things, I kind of expected to be working with the frameworks more than models, and yeah, it didn't disappoint.
Well, at the start I was a bit intimidated. I thought that it would be a lot more technically difficult, but slowly I just got used to it, and everyone helped out a lot, so it went fine. Yeah.
I started off with a few reformatting tasks, just to get a feel for the code base. And he gave me plenty of time with that, and he was keen to give me tasks that were appropriate for someone just starting off. So yeah, it helped to build confidence, and I got to start contributing right away, which is really great.
The Ivy quite impressed me that how you can effectively work between in a such international environment, because you can see the member working in Asia, in Europe, in America. So this point quite impressed me.
Well, at first I thought it was going to be a very daunting experience for me. I was kind of worried that I was going to take a long time to catch up with everything and do my work properly, but that was far from the truth, actually. Everyone is very nice, and I found the deep dive and the documents very helpful, so it's been nice.